A very good morning, children. So, today we are going to start our next topic, and it is about pronouns. So, let us start our chapter. First, we will see the definition of pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. So, it means a pronoun is that word which is used to replace any noun here. So, whenever we want to replace a noun, we will use pronoun. So, for example, he, she, it, they, we, and I. So, these all are the examples of pronoun, children. Okay, he, she, it, they, we, and I are pronouns, and we will be using it to replace any noun. Okay, children. I hope you have understood it. So, now we will see some example to get more clarity. John is a postman. John carries a blue bag. So, see here, two times John is written. And to make the sentence sound better, how we can change it? We will change the word John to he. Why to he? Why we will use he here, children? Because he is used for males and John is a male here. Okay, so the sentence will be John is a postman. He carries a blue bag. So here we have used only he here and John one time. We have replaced it with he. So children, the sentence is much more clear now because we have replaced John with he here and he is a pronoun. So the word he is a pronoun that takes place of the word John. So instead of John, what we have used? We are using he because he is a male. So children, to understand it more clearly, just look at this table. Here many nouns are given to you and we will be replacing it with a pronoun. For John, we will use he. Why? Because for males we use he. I and Reena, when we talk about two people, so we use we. We pronoun is used here, okay? Next is Park. Park is a non-living thing. So which pronoun is used? It. Next is Shruti. Shruti is a girl. So for girls, for females, we use she. Next is Sunita. When you're talking about yourself, which pronouns used? I. We use I pronoun here. Very good, children. So have you seen which pronoun is used to replace which noun here? So children, we will understand it with more examples here. Like she is my mother. She is a pronoun and it is used for females. Next is he is my father. So father is male, so we have used pronoun he here. Next is it is my cat. Cat is an animal, so we have used it pronoun here. Okay, so he, she, it, all these three are pronouns here. Next is they are my grandparents. When we talk about two or more people, which pronoun is used? They. Very good, children. So next is Ricky and I are friends. So as I have discussed earlier, I is used when you're talking about yourself and it is a pronoun. So children, they and I again are pronouns. Okay. So we will get more clear idea with the help of this example. See, Mark went shopping with mom. Mark is a noun here and we can replace it with pronoun he. Instead of Mark, we can use he. He went shopping with mom. Next is Raj and Seema are going to visit friends. So we are talking about two people and we will use they pronoun because we are talking about two people. They are going to visit friends. Next is the cake was delicious. It will be changed to it and it will read as it was delicious here. Okay, children. So he, they, and it. We have used three pronouns here. So I hope the topic of pronouns is clear to you. He, she, it, we, they, I. All these are pronouns and we use them to replace any noun. So children, I hope the topic is clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.